National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Madison County, Clark County, until 4 p.m. At 3:29 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Snyderville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Springfield, South Charleston. In addition, Tremont City, Springfield Municipal Airport, Pigeon, Buck Creek State Park, New Moorfield, Harmony, Lisbon, and Catawba are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 46 and 75. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.